Let's get baking. Chow mein means fried noodles. And these are the kind that have been boiled first and then fried, which makes them super crunchy, like a twig. Imagine it, these are gonna be my bird's nests. Trust me, it'll be great. Butterscotch chips and peanut butter chips. This is what's gonna hold those nests together. Here's my secret to making it extra peanut buttery. Peanut butter. This is so simple and so sweet. I know, noodles and peanut butter, it seems like a crazy combination, but it really works. And they wouldn't be birds' nests without eggs. Now, I just need to let these cuties set. See how easy these are to make? But what about how they taste? Wow! Chow mein in a dessert. Who would have thought it would taste that good? And something about butterscotch and peanut butter. It's the sweet and salty. They go so well together. So that is my adorable bird-inspired treats.